Good morning, children. Today in this video we'll be learning about antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms you must have already learnt in your lower classes. In this video we will be learning few of those words. Before beginning the exercises and to know which are those words, let us know what is antonyms. Antonyms are the words with opposite meaning. Synonyms are the words with the same or a similar meaning. Begin with synonyms. There are few words given here and they are the same meaning. Abandon, leave, desert, forsake, base, degrade, disgrace, humiliate, admire, praise, adore, esteem, alien, foreigner, strange, stranger, unknown, beg, implore, ask, bespeech, solicit, behavior, conduct, deportment, way, brutal, animal, savage, calculate, estimate, count, reckon, cause, make, originate, induce, censor, cut off, prohibit, ban, chaste, pure, immaculate, virgin, coy, modest, shy, reversed, reserved, dawn, daybreak, appear, sunrise, decay, decompose, rot, and now we will see what are antonyms. An antonym is a word that has opposite meaning of another word. So there are few examples given here. You need to see these examples, understand the word and its opposite. So let's begin. About, exactly, above, below, allow, forbid, already, not yet, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, attack, defend, body, soul, bore, amuse, day, night, dead, alive, death, birth, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, defense, attack, empty, full, fix, break flat or hilly, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, moderate, extreme, moon, sun, near, distant, negative, affirmative, nephew, niece, never, always, occupied, vacant, odd, even, satisfy, annoy, save, spend. So what we have understood here, all the red colored words are the opposite to the black colored words. Means antonyms are the opposite meaning of another word. It is an opposite words. So let us see few exercises. Replace each underlined word with an antonym from the word box. So there is a box above, but you can see only the underlined words here and try to find out the opposite of these underlined words and write it in those dashes. Okay, there are 12 exercises, sentences given here. I want you to see the underlined word in each and every sentence and then write the opposite of it. The day was cold and dark. Corey laid his head down on the hard pillow. The maths test was very difficult. I took the dull pencil from my pencil box. My mother braided my straight hair in the morning. Charles' games is better than a science game. Adina brought a new car this weekend. The orange tasted incredibly sweet. Courtney placed the warm towel on her head. The horse trotted down the straight path. The clumsy ballerina danced across the stage. My best friend got the answer correct. So you need to write these few exercises, antonym and synonymous words in your grammar classwork. Thank you.